Hey, welcome back to the channel. I hope that you are having a very blessed day. Today I am going to just be doing some photography. I love doing nature photography. And I'm just going to show you some of the beautiful flowers that I have right here at my father-in-law's house and my mother-in-law's house. They have a very beautiful garden and it's just amazing. So I'm not out on the trail today, but I wanted to show you some of these beautiful flowers that they have in their garden, and it's making me realize I need to step up my flower gardening game at my own house. My wife has already given me an assignment for this week to go ahead and to upgrade our garden, so I will be taking notes here, looking here, and trying to get some inspiration and go from there. Hope you enjoy this little short video montage. As always, please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you on our next adventure. Blessings.